I think it's pretty clear that the dirt on this car was put here on purpose, as that's not a typical road spray pattern. Now, the story I heard from the auction company was that the previous owner knew the repo was coming, as they were way behind on payments, and decided to take a parting shot at the bank by doing this. That's kind of silly if you ask me, since it's not going to take me long to deal with it, but the interior, well, that's a whole nother story. To say it's filthy is an understatement, and I'm not sure disgusting covers it either. It's clear the previous owner treated the car like a garbage can, and was probably baked out of his mind while doing so, judging by all the cannabis wrappers laying around.